Are you ready to embark on the journey of first-time homeownership? Or perhaps you are renting your first place? It's an exciting milestone, but it's essential to protect your investment and belongings along the way. Today, I'll guide you through the essentials of homeowners insurance, whether you're the first-time home buyer, renter, or a condo owner. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about homeowners insurance. Did you know that it's not just a wise choice? It's required by the bank or mortgage company before they issue your mortgage. A homeowner's insurance policy protects your home and your belongings from unforeseen events like fire, theft, and natural disasters. Plus, it provides liability coverage safeguarding you if someone is injured on your property. Next, if you're renting your place, renter's insurance is a must. Many renters overlook purchasing renter's insurance only to purchase it after they've had a total loss. Or some renters assume that their landlord's policy covers their belongings. However, landlord's insurance typically only covers their belongings in the building and their contents, and not your personal items. Renter's insurance is your safety net when you're renting your first place. It covers all of your belongings and provides liability protection. But did you know that it does even more? If something happens like a fire or any other reason that you cannot live in your apartment, renter's insurance will take care of your extra living expenses. It'll help cover the cost of renting another place and cover any losses that you incur as a result of the loss of renting your apartment. And here's the best part. If you package it with your automobile insurance, the discount by bundling these two policies together will sometimes equal the cost of the renter's insurance policy. Stay protected with renter's insurance today. If you're looking to purchase a condo, while the common areas of the building are usually covered under the condo master insurance policy, but your interior belongings are not. That's where a condo insurance policy, also known as an HO6, comes in. It bridges the gap left by the master insurance policy, covering your interior, improvements, personal property, and liability protection. Now let's talk about home buying programs. There are so many out there to choose from. The Massachusetts Affordable Housing Alliance, also known as MAHA, has been a game changer for over 25,000 homeowners, facilitating affordable mortgages and investing billions of dollars in affordable housing. On a personal note, I have been on the board of directors for MAHA for over 25 years. Similarly, the Quincy Community Action Program, also known as QCAP, and the Neighborhood Assistance Corporation of America, also known as NACA, offer invaluable resources and assistance for first-time home buyers. These are just a few of the home buying programs that we work with. There are many, many more out there for you to choose from. Shopping around for the right insurance policy is crucial, whether you're insuring your home, condo, or your apartment. Look for a reputable and local independent insurance broker and seek discounts for bundling your policies. And remember, being adequately insured is about spending wisely to ensure you're covered when it matters the most. Here's a pro tip to start you on your home buying process. Put a team together. A trusted real estate agent, a mortgage professional, an attorney, and a home inspector, and an insurance broker, and get pre-approved early so you know how much you can afford. And if you need a referral to any one of these professions, reach out to us as we work with the best of the best. It can help you with a referral. In conclusion, whether you're stepping into homeownership, living in a condo, or renting your first place, insurance is your safety net. Make informed decisions, understand your coverage needs, and choose a policy that fits your lifestyle. And remember that we're here to help.